Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to replace all occurrences of a with a dollar sign in a string. So let's start this with the program. Here in the first line, this line defines a function named replace a with dollar that accepts one argument input string which is expected to be a string. The function is designed to replace all occurrences of the character A with the dollar sign. Now in the next line here, this line uses the replace method of the string object, and here input string dot replace replaces all occurrences of the character A in the input string with dollar sign and returns a new or replaced string with the replacements. The result of this operation is stored in the variable result. And in the next line here, this line returns the modified string to the caller of the function. And in the next line here, this line prompts the user to enter a string using input function. And the message displayed to the user is enter a string. And in the next line here, in this line, the replace a with dollar function is called with input string as an argument, and the function processes the input string replacing a with dollar sign, and the return or modified string is stored in the variable output string here. Now, in the last line, this line prints the modified string to the console as modified string, a message to inform the user about the output, and the modified string where all occurrences of A have been replaced with dollar sign. So, let's check this program. As we need to enter a string, hence the modified string is all the A from the given strings are removed with dollar sign. So thanks for watching this video.